Are you fed up with trying to figure out how to properly use Amazon S3? I know exactly what it's like. I mean, there's nothing more annoying than seeing tons of techno-babble documents, videos, and ebooks on Amazon S3 that the average person just can't understand. You end up feeling confused and overwhelmed by all the geek speak, and the frustration soon becomes too much, and you just want to throw in the towel and give up. Until recently, the only solution for Amazon S3 users trying to learn the basics of S3 was to either hire someone and hope they knew what they were doing, or spend hours on end going through the outdated videos on YouTube. Amazon has plenty of documents in their website help section, but trying to figure out what they're all talking about is like learning a foreign language. Plus, hiring someone is expensive, and while they may be able to do the work, they rarely, if at all, are able to explain to you in layman's terms what they did. That's why today I'm thrilled to be able to share with you my new video training program, Amazon S3 How-To Videos. Hi, I've been a user of Amazon S3 since 2008. I've instructed hundreds of people on the basics of S3. My laid-back way of passing on what I know makes the learning process easy and even fun at times. I've mastered the basics of S3, and along the way, I've learned several tips and tricks to keep your S3 files super secure without having to spend truckloads of cash on third-party tools. In the 23-plus training videos in the Amazon S3 How-To video series, you are looking over my shoulder as I show you everything I'm doing. These step-by-step video guides are geek speak free, so you will both see what to do as well as understand what you're doing. Unlike other Amazon S3 training guides you might stumble across, my training videos are over-the-shoulder style screen recordings. This means that every step is shown in detail. And you're not going to find these step-by-step details in any long and drawn-out sleep-inducing PDF. In addition to the style of training, the quality of the video recordings are top shelf. I've created hundreds of training videos, and I pride myself on quality audio and delivery. You will not hear any buts or but-ums in these high-definition 1280 by 720 videos. So whether you're a total novice or a seasoned online veteran, you will be able to simply watch what I do and repeat the steps yourself. Easy peasy. Scroll down below this video to see the detailed description and title of each video in this series, as well as a sample video for you to hear and see the quality you're about to download onto your computer. In just a few of the many items covered in this video series, you're going to learn to encrypt and secure your S3 files, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. And this is for both Mac users and PC users. You see, I'm going to show you how to use no-cost third-party tools for you to manage your S3 files with. Plus, streaming videos from Amazon S3 that play on any browser is easy once you know how, and I cover those in videos 20 and 21. And here's a big one: no more stolen download links getting passed around. And no more stolen bandwidth when someone hot links your images. With so many amazing features, you're probably eager to know how much it'll cost to get your hands on the Amazon S3 How-To Videos training series. And that's a fair question, given that the Amazon S3 How-To videos reveal the exact same tips, tricks, and techniques that you'd expect to pay between $200 and $1,000 for one-to-one coaching. But there is a limit on my time and the number of people I can help personally. So I recorded these step-by-step over-the-shoulder style videos to allow everyone access to my knowledge, just as if I were there with you. So let's go ahead and make this as easy as possible for you. Right now, you can grab the user rights version of the Amazon S3 How-To videos for a single one-time payment of just $27. So, if you're ready to master the basics of Amazon S3 and secure your S3 files, just click the Add to Cart button you see below this video. And you're going to be glad to know that the Amazon S3 How-To videos comes with my personal 100% rock-solid money-back guarantee. If you don't love these videos for whatever reason, then I actually don't want to keep your money. All you have to do is shoot me a quick email and I'll immediately refund every cent you paid me. Now, you've wasted enough of your time, energy, and sanity on trying to figure out how to master the basics of Amazon S3 and securing your files. You can finally put an end to all of your frustration and disappointment simply by following the step-by-step approach revealed in my Amazon S3 How-To videos training series. Just imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that you can tackle most issues you used to have managing the files in your S3 buckets, and that your Amazon S3 files are safe and secure. So grab your copy of Amazon S3 How-To videos now. Click the Add to Cart button below this video right now, and I'll see you on the other side.